Welcome to how to download Instagram Lite in iPhone. So in this video, we are going to show you how to download Instagram Lite in iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So basically, to download Instagram Lite in iPhone, we will basically go to the App Store, open up App Store on your iPhone, and then what you're gonna need to do here, just tap on this search icon and search for Instagram Lite. Okay, and then search it. So now when you search it, what it will show you is that unfortunately Instagram Lite is currently not available for iPhone devices. Okay, if it's available, it should be here. Okay, so now there are some more ways that you can basically install Instagram Lite in iPhone, but I will not recommend to use those ways because they are not safe. And always basically try to download the apps from the App Store because it's safe. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.